Next is command function. Command function we will use when we need to prevent execution of some lines. In Python, we will command lines using hash symbol. Suppose if I need to prevent execution of this particular line of code, I need to put a hash symbol before it. This commanding is useful in two ways. One way is what we learned now to prevent execution of some lines, and second is to to comment the functionality of our code. For example, suppose our project is a big one and new developers are onboarding to our project, and they can understand the code by reading the comments. Okay, next is length function. Length function will we will use to identify the length of a string. The syntax is length, then inside that we need to put the string. For example, if I need to find the length of the word Python, then this is this way I can achieve it. If I directly run this, I won't be able to see the output. To see the output, we need to use the print function along with the length function. So print, inside the print function I will put the length function, and now I will execute it, and I got the count as 6. Also, I can find the length of a user input also. To do that, I will replace the text functionality, and now I execute it. The code is asking to enter a name. If I enter the name, it will list, it will display the length of the string. Next topic is variable. Next topic is variables. Variables are used for storing data values, and these values can be a output or a user input. We will see how we can assign a value and print it. To assign a value, I call a variable, and I'm assigning it as the value of x as John, and to print, inside that I will type the variable name, and if I execute it, the value is printed. I can change to any value, and if I execute it will print the whatever value we have saved in x. Also, we can give as it as an user input also. Input, execute now. Sorry, I didn't forgot to add the codes over here. So if I execute now, it's asking to enter my location. Now it got printed. Okay, now we will combine what we have learned. We will try to find the length of the input which we are entering, and it will save it in variable called x, and then that length it will print over here. Okay, now we will involve length functionality. Okay, now if I execute, we will print the length of the location. Thank you.